Have you ever tried to deposit money into your Coinbase account and been met with an error message? If so, you're not alone. Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, but it can be frustrating when you can't deposit money into your account. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why Coinbase might reject your deposit. We'll also discuss what you can do to troubleshoot the problem and get your deposit approved. Why Coinbase might reject your deposit. There are a number of reasons why Coinbase might reject your deposit. Here are some of the most common. Your deposit method is not supported. Coinbase only supports a few deposit methods, such as bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. If you're trying to deposit money using a method that is not supported, your deposit will be rejected. Your deposit amount is too high or too low. Coinbase has limits on the amount of money you can deposit at a time. If your deposit amount is too high or too low, your deposit will be rejected. Your deposit is from a restricted country. Coinbase is not available in all countries. If you're trying to deposit money from a restricted country, your deposit will be rejected. Your deposit is from a high-risk account. If Coinbase suspects that your deposit is from a high-risk account, such as an account that has been used for money laundering or fraud, your deposit will be rejected. Your deposit is being reviewed. Coinbase may take some time to review your deposit before approving it. If your deposit is being reviewed, you will receive an email from Coinbase letting you know that your deposit is under review. What you can do to troubleshoot the problem. If your Coinbase deposit has been rejected, there are a few things you can do to troubleshoot the problem. Check your deposit method. Make sure that you are using a deposit method that is supported by Coinbase. Check your deposit amount. Make sure that your deposit amount is within the limits set by Coinbase. Check your country. Make sure that you are not trying to deposit money from a restricted country. Check your account activity. If you have recently made any high-risk transactions, your deposit may be being reviewed. Contact Coinbase support. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Coinbase support for help. Coinbase is a great cryptocurrency exchange, but it can be frustrating when you can't deposit money into your account. By understanding the reasons why Coinbase might reject your deposit, you can troubleshoot the problem and get your deposit approved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.